My story begins with this deserted island. Life was interesting, but slightly monotonous. Until one day, No, I don't want to drown.
Hey, Ginger Tail!
What?
Hide in here! I'm Muddies, the mouse, and since I saved your life just now, you won't eat me.
Do cats really eat mice?
Don't be silly.
Do mice really eat cats?
Don't worry, only as self-defense. Yeah! This is the Hermitage! I come from a family of art consumers. There's nothing more delicious in this world than authentic art. Holy Jesus!
Mouse! Catch the mouse!
Why aren't you chasing the mouse?
I can't because I already ate it.
We are the guardians of the Hermitage. We don't ruin the art. We protect the art.
It's the world's most famous painting. It arrives tomorrow.
To sample the Mona Lisa, I'll go down in history.
A single scratch on a canvas, a single tiny spot of dirt, and all the cats in here lose their job.
What happened?
There's a scary ghost in the museum.
A ghost?
It's the ghost that haunts displays. Haven't you heard the legend?
Get your slimy feelers off my lady!
We have to get rid of this mouse once and for all.
What do you think you're doing?
Bonjour.
But if you ruin this painting, I'll lose my home again.
Vincent, we need you to watch our back.
Cats in the museum.
Mom, look! It's a flying cat! Don't be silly, sweetheart. There's no such thing.
No!